Today, let me show you the way that you fix Instagram verification code problem. Now, if you're trying to log into your Instagram or trying to reset your password, you'll likely need a verification code that is going to be sent to your phone number. Now, if you're not receiving this phone number, what you can do is first of all, make sure that specific number is not blocked on your phone. But for the most of you, that is not going to be the case. So what you can do in this case is try to toggle on and toggle off your airplane mode in order to refresh your signal. Once this step is done, what you'll also need to do is remove any VPNs if you are connected to one currently. Using VPNs as well, you may not be able to receive the code. So make sure you turn any VPN connection that you have installed. Or what you can lastly do is try to restart your phone. Just tap and hold the power button on your phone, reboot it, and once you're done all of these steps, you'll be able to fix the Instagram verification code problem. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, and that's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.